Welcome to DJ TV.
My correct people, we greet you now. Welcome una once again to DJ TV. My people, update day update for class chaser class. All people they want just create content just to make people view, make them for they popular, make them for blue. Update day for them. Again one Mr. Agozi Samuel. This man do video. If you see video what this man do, this man talk a lot concerning comedian AY comedy. He talk a lot too. He talk say AY second pikin AY born that they say not be AY born now. He say AY they sleep with your Edochie first wife. A lot of things wey this man talk when I even see the video I can't imagine say this thing be how come when this man forget this kind of information. Those of una who never see that video where this man they talk all this nonsense when he talk, I will play the video for now and watch that part where they talk all this nonsense. AY,
you know that you are not the biological father of this your second child. There's a parable that says one good turn deserves another. Now it has happened to you. Your wife have left you. 2 minutes man. You slept with me because of you Edochie and his wife separated because you are having an affair with Edochie's wife, which is male. The general public do not know what is happening. Even the court case that is going on, and the general public do not know. I told you on the 31st night that in this 2024, I will be the one that will bring you down. For you to bring down a home that lasted for many years, you make them separated, you make the wife live different and the husband. What are you looking for in somebody's wife that your wife does not have? Now, you find out that the child your wife had, you are not the biological father, it's your security. You find out. I will not start playing, because I will not start playing the voice record or everything. I will not. When the time comes. I don't know what you people are looking for in somebody's wife. I don't know what you people enjoy in somebody's wife. Your security have been sleeping with your wife for the past 5 years. Okay, now you can't find out. If I was not the one that told you to go and do the DNA of that child, you couldn't have do it. But I know why I told you. So that this saga will come. So that your downfall must happen in this 2024. Since you don't want to leave somebody's wife. Your plan now is to go and marry me. I know your plans. You want to go and marry me. You think I don't know? Listen, everything is here. You know, when I was talking with you, I used to record everything. I used to record everything so that when I start speaking, people will not say I'm chasing clout, I just want to gain followers, or I just want to trend. No, this is what really happened. AY slept with me Edochie. That was why you Edochie and me are not together today.
My people, una don't see the video. Now hear all the nonsense with this man they talk. Not be smart, you know. My people, right now. AY don't petition the man. He don't give am petition wey be say the one wey be say Obi carry take petition or APC na small one. Now see petition na AY say enough is enough. This thing is becoming too much. This man don still come outside come dey apologize. So he say he just do that video just to dey popular, just to get money, take parents. To spoil person name, tarnish person image wey person don build for years. Because of money to pay rent. When I watch this apology where this Mr. Agozi Samuel they give. When I watch will they come?
Sorry, please. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. Why I'm saying I'm sorry. Please forgive me for the video I just did. You know, I've deleted all those videos from my page. You understand? Please, I want to make the general public that those videos I did was fake. AY is the biological father of his second daughter. AY does not have anything to do with me. You understand? I just did that to get popularity. Life here for Syria alone, they hard. To feed is a problem. No work here. That was why I decided to join content. That was why I came back to Nigeria last month. So immediately I came back, I do some few content. Then I came back. When I came to Syria alone, I started posting the content. I don't used to have views. I don't used to have like, understand. So I needed to trend. I needed to make money so that I will not come back to Nigeria empty-handed. So I decided to do that. So and I trend. For you to see that Nigeria are evil, Nigeria are bad. You go post content, they no go like. But when you post evil news, you go see them, they go they comment, they like. Nigeria is evil. So I'm sorry. Please.
Hey, my people, now don't see the video. Not be small thing though. This matter go hot well well. E go long well well as see the hot. Anyway, as update dey enter concerning this matter, so we come dey update una as dey hot. Make una like, make una share, and make una no forget to follow us for all our social media handles. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Una do well. See you all in our next video. DJ